Can you get a car insurance quote without a car? Americans hold the #1 position in the world of auto ownership per the ratio of the number of people in our country. Cars can be enjoyable, necessary, and something that people take a lot of interest in, but they can also cause great harm or death to people in society. In a blink of an eye, you could be in a situation that is pretty traumatic and scary, and you will need to be properly covered through insurance to manage the financial implications of what an accident can cause. There is a lot to consider with auto insurance, and you need to ensure that you have insurance to cover all contingencies to the extent that your budget can afford to do so. The biggest financial problem you could become involved in is the lawsuit. The strategies you need to consider here are that you do not underinsure the amount you need, otherwise you could be left out of pocket for quite a large sum of money. In determining insurance, it is very important to make sure that the automobile liability coverage limits is adequate for the 3 types of insurance categories: injury per person, injury per accident, and property damage per accident. Be careful that you do not underinsure any of these categories, as you cannot transfer insurance between them, and there will be times when you will need insurance for each category in just one accident. In deciding on what level of coverage you need for auto insurance based on your needs, you should consideration the possibility that the other driver may be uninsured or no insurance at all. This will allow you to access the necessary funds that you will need for your health or property requirements now, rather than wait a quite considerable period of time to extract the money required from an uninsured or underinsured driver. It does not seem fair you have to do this, but if you are ever in the situation of needing medical assistance or fixing property damage, you need to move quickly. Auto insurance is a definite requirement you should have, as your life could change for the worse in a split second if you do not have this insurance.